All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about matter. So the question is, what is matter? To define it, we say that matter is anything around us that has mass and takes up space. People could also say that matter is anything around us that has mass and takes up volume. They're basically the same definition. If you can touch it, if you can see it, or if you can feel it, it's matter. Even if you can't see it, it's matter. Some examples are like water, air, rocks, and even you, yourself, people. What is mass? Well, mass means how much stuff is in something, like how heavy a basketball is compared to a tennis ball, the amount of air inside. Let me give you another example. A backpack full of books has more mass than an empty backpack. What about volume or space? Well, volume means how much space something uses up, like the amount of water that fits in a bottle. Let me give you another example. A balloon takes up more space, or it has more volume, when it's blown up than when it's flat. Now let me give you some everyday examples that you can relate to. A chair, the air in your room, a cookie. They all have mass. They all take up space. So they are examples of matter. Another thing that takes up matter that you can't see are these microscopic animals or bacteria and viruses that you can see only with a microscope. They take up space. It might be limited, small, super small. You can't even see it, but they take up space. Light and sound are not matter because they do not have mass or take up space the way that objects do. Remember that. So to finalize, matter is basically the stuff everything is made up of. Just like how everything inside of a house is made up of bricks, wood, or glass, or the furniture that you put inside of it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.